This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Noel Hernandez. This 4-bed, 2.5-bath home is move-in ready. Open floor plan with a great-sized kitchen with granite countertops, which overlooks the family entertainment area. Master suite on main floor has garden tub and a standing shower with spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs loft area can be utilized as game room, office space, or movie room. Great location with schools in walking distance, shopping centers, and restaurants. Call to schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.